Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am your girl Decenta who loves things all on sale. If you're new here, we talk about all things that do not break your bank. So that could be from thrifting, shopping on the nearest clearance rack, traveling, DIY hacks. That's all the things that we talk about on this channel. If that sounds like something you're interested in, come on in, come on in. Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camo. You don't really know you. Hey besties. Alright guys, so I decided to do a video on how to look expensive. I think I want to do some type of series here for this topic here. You guys know that I always say shop your closet. I had a trip that was coming up. I didn't want to buy anything new, or I was just looking for selective pieces to piece together some outfits that I had already, some shirts that I already had in my closet. So that is what I did. And I just wanted to give you guys a video on how you can dress up things that you have in your closet or things that you can purchase, like how you can brighten them up and let them stand out without doing too much or breaking the bank. Because listen, we are bougie on a budget forever, okay? It ain't changing. Even when we get rich, we're gonna speak that and we still gonna be bougie on a budget, okay? So yeah, so that's why I wanted to create this video, to just show you guys different styles that I was able to achieve on this trip here. This is a short trip. I got here on Friday and I'm leaving on Sunday. So I just have 3 outfits. So it's just gonna be a quick video of my different outfits and what I wore on this day, that day. So that's what we're gonna be talking about. Let's go ahead and get started on what I have now. Let's just go ahead into the video. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I am in the hotel and I am shooting this content, so it's not my regular lighting here, so bear with me. So yeah, so I have this Biggie shirt. And to all the ladies in the place with style and grace, you guys know that I have this in my Amazon storefront. If you didn't know, go ahead and shop this. This is a nice t-shirt. I think I'm wearing a large here, and I twisted it, and this silk skirt, y'all, I purchased this from Ross. This was an item that I didn't have in my closet, but a lot of people have been wearing silk skirts. You have seen popular ones in Target. They have black, burgundy, leopard. They have a lot of silk skirts. Y'all, I got this one for $12.99 at Ross. Shop for less. I think they're running $30, maybe $25. I'll link some affordable ones, and I'll link the ones that Target have. I didn't try on the ones with Target, but I really like this because it has the little give here. It's not tight on your waist or your stomach area, so I like that it has this right here. And so the event that I am at right now, it's a conference, so I wanted to be super comfortable. And so because I know I was going to be running around, I kind of wanted it to have a casual look. And so this is why I paired it with the t-shirt. And then I have my shoes that you guys have seen. These are the shoes that I'm wearing them with. And I thought that it would bring out this color. Actually, it is this color. The color of my skirt is kind of like a champagne color. And so I am wearing them with these sneakers that I have paired them with. This is the look here. I don't have a purse because, again, I'm at a conference and I'm just running around getting content for Marcus. So I don't have a purse with this, but I could easily, style this up, spruce it up a little bit. I have on my Chanel earrings, and then I could put on these Amazon glasses with this and go about my way. I think it's really cute. You can dress this silk. Everybody thinks you have to dress up when you wear silk skirts, dresses. You don't have to do that. You can always, you can dress anything down. You are not bound to just style something because it's shiny. And by all means, you can wear heels with silk skirts, but don't be afraid to dress down things. Especially, you have to feel comfortable with whatever you wear. And so for me right now, that's super important for me, that I remain comfortable in my fits. And so I knew I wanted to be comfortable at this conference, and this is what I came up with. So I already had the shirt. You guys know these shoes are new, and this skirt, I purchased this from Ross. And so yeah, I will leave like a similar look here. I'll put together like a similar look. I'll probably do like a side by side so you guys can really like see different ways people wear silk skirts. That's another way you can elevate your style, with accessories. Now, I don't have too many accessories on now. I do have this watch here. Yeah, this watch right here, and my TJ Maxx Van Cleef dupe right here. And this is a minimum look here. This is a really cute watch that I watched Aaliyah J video, and she posted this watch, and y'all, this watch is really good. I'm not even a watch person, but I told you guys in a video before, I'm trying to get into accessories. And so yeah, this watch is really clutch because it goes with all of my jewelry that I purchased. And then yeah, so simple look, but yeah, I'm comfortable. I'm swaying from left to right, right to left. Yeah, so love the way that this outfit turned out. All right, now I want you guys to comment below if this is something that you would wear, or how would you style this silk skirt. Like, how would you wear it? If you were going to a conference, how would you wear it? So let's see what I wear on the next day. Let's do it.
The next day.
All right, guys, so we on the next day. I pulled my hair up in a ponytail, and then I have the back down, and I have on this thrifted shirt that I actually just thrifted. I love the color. It's like a green, like a almost like a hunter green, forest green. And I have my chains on today, y'all, because I can wear them. Max is not pulling them. This is my forest. This is my J. Cole. Cause shout out to 910 Vietnam. I actually purchased this maybe like a couple of years ago from Marcus. He never wears it, so I wear it now. And then my other necklaces from TJ Maxx. And y'all, I wanted to show y'all another way that I'm elevating my accessory game. You guys know that I am into accessories now, and so I picked up these earrings. And what you do is cuff them right here. Cuff. Let me open it up a little bit. Yeah. Cuff that. Okay. Right there. And then these right here, you can put another one. Right. I didn't put all of them. These are my first time wearing these. I wanted to see like how comfortable they were, and just add like another trendy look. So yeah, this is how it looks. You zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, so these are how they look. Okay. And I have on I think this is a Target crop top with my Poshmark camouflage pants. And then I am still bringing out the New Balances because listen, we didn't pay this money for these shoes and we're gonna wear this. So this could be another high-low because the shoes are $150. This is $3. This is $3, and these were $7. So the shoes are the high point, and then the clothes are the low point. But I'm also bruising it up with the accessories that I have. I have some finger rings somewhere, but I don't know where they are. But yeah, y'all, this is the look for today. And I originally wasn't gonna wear it this way. I was actually going to tie it up, but this, I mean, you could do it either way, you know, just to add some layers. You know, you're in a conference room, there might be cold, not sure what you know, the vibe is. That's a good thing with dressing in layers. You can style, you know, wrap something, tuck something. You can, you know, buckle this. But because the shirt was so oversized, I figured I would just keep it open. And yeah, y'all, this is the look here. And we are about to go. So yeah, I like this look because it's super casual, like in and out. Don't have to do much. And then we're out.
The next day.
All right, guys, so we are in the final day. Well, we are on the final day of the conference. I don't know if I told y'all, the conference is located in Florida, but it's inside. So this is the final day. Well, actually yesterday was the final day, but they have like a brunch day party. And so this is gonna be my final look here. And this jumpsuit, I purchased this from Forever 21. It was on clearance for $15. And then I paired it with my New Balances, my 990 New Balances. Let me show you. You guys have seen these before. I have worn these over and over and over and over. And actually they fit me today. Normally I'm like a whole size bigger, but today they kind of fit me. So yeah, this is the outfit here. I think I'm gonna wear my hair down, so I'm not gonna need my earrings that I purchased that I wore with my other casual fit, because I think I'm gonna wear my hair like this. And then this is the look here. So the low end would be the jumpsuit, and then the high end, these shoes. I don't know how much these shoes are. How much are these shoes? I think these shoes were $150. Yeah, but I purchased them like maybe 2 years ago. Was it 2 years? Yeah, about 2 years ago. So the low end mixed with the high end with the shoes, and then just simple jewelry here. This necklace, I don't know where I purchased this necklace from. And then my Chanel earrings. And oh yeah, I'm gonna do it with, I always style my look with these this purse right here to bring out the orange that I have. And yeah, that is the look here. So be mindful, like you can definitely shop your closet. If you don't see the pieces that you need, you can still find affordable pieces. And so I'm going to link just different styles that you could style a this, like not this actual jumper, but different like jean jumpers, because jean on jean, denim on denim is a trend for this fall. And so when I seen the jumpsuit, I was like, oh, okay. I normally don't like jumpsuits because I have to use the bathroom and you have to zip in this all the way out, pull it down, use the bathroom, then come. And then I'm also traveling back home today. So I don't know why this is the last fit, but we're here and we're wearing it. But I'll list some affordable jumpsuits and like denim on denim styles, and where you can find some denim on denim or some other jumpsuits, because I think this is clearance and I don't think that they still have this in stock, Forever 21. So if I do, I will link it in the description. But for now, and this is an extra large. I wanted it to fit a little looser here because it has like a button right here, and then this goes up. So this is an extra large, and I like how it fit. I just folded these arms back, and yeah, that is the fit here, y'all. So I hope you enjoy this short video. Again, this is going to be like a series on how to look expensive, how to match your low end versus your high ends together to make the outfit mesh together. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Even if you didn't like the video, thumbs up. Also comment below on which outfit you like the most, or which outfit is more you, or if you would do something different with the outfit. I would love to know your feedback. Again, I want you guys to comment so it can push my video out. So make sure you guys are liking, comment, and subscribing, and tell somebody else to subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be the video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Peace.